All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know.
Hey everyone, I'm back with another mukbang, and yeah, I know it's been a couple of days before that I haven't uploaded. I said I was going to start doing it more often, but things come up, gotta work, gotta do things, the whole 9 yards. Anyways, I got me a pasta bowl from Domino's. Domino's? I always get it with the bread, the pasta with the bread around it, but this time I got it with just the pasta. Look how good that looks. It has, it's the Alfredo with mushrooms and onions. Looks like they burnt it a little, but hey, oh well. Ooh. So, how y'all doing? How's your morning, noon, night, whatever it is? I hope y'all having an awesome one. My day went by pretty good. Look at these little guys. Yummy. Went to work. Left a little early because I've been having problems with my arm right here when I sleep. So I went to the doctor today, and they said that I have what is it called? The golfer's elbow or something like that. I was like, oh, okay, like I play golf, but I was just joking. I knew what she was talking about. And I was like, well, how do I take care of it? How do I get rid of it? And she's like, well, you're going to have to do like steroids to take away the pain and everything, the swelling on the inside. I was like, okay. So they wrote me a prescription, but I forgot to go pick it up. My bad. I was running around everywhere, so I completely forgot about it. So I guess I won't start it till tomorrow. Look at this mushroom and onion. Ooh, yeah, that looks so good. So I decided to drink a Coke with this. Look how good that looks. Oh, I love this sound of Coke. So yeah, actually I was going to have a different meal, but yeah, something happened to my stove just a while ago. I don't know what happened to it. I turned on. Everything turned on. It was heating up, and then all of a sudden I heard like the breaker went off. I think we need to change the breaker or something. But I don't know. I don't know until my husband gets home. And that's like another hour. Find out what's going on with it. You know, actually getting it in the bread bowl, it looks a lot, like it looks more, looks like a lot more. And they put it in this one, And it don't even look like that much. I also got a Philly cheese. Don't you dare! A Philly cheesesteak. So yeah, I'm gonna try this little guy. Ooh, look at that little mushroom hanging out the butt. That tasted pretty good. Have you ever had the feeling like somebody's always watching what you're doing? Yeah. I always have the feeling like somebody's watching me, like at work or something. And I'm like, I always look and I always see this one person. One person. Every time I look, they're standing right there just staring. I'm like, what the hell? Why are you looking at me? What did I do to you? You know what I mean? It's like, did I take something from you? Why are you just staring at me? And that person acts like they're the boss. Seriously? You're not the boss. Why are you trying to be like the boss? Maybe that person's jealous because they have to be outside in the cold and the heat and in the rain or whatever it is at the time that they're out there, you know? Today it was raining out there. I mean, why are you worried about what everybody else is doing? Why don't you worry about yourself? You know? That's what I feel like saying sometimes, but I'm like, bite your tongue. Bite your tongue, Jessica. You don't want to start no drama. You know, mind you, I don't even, you know, and I don't understand that. I don't even talk to anybody there. The only time I talk to them is whenever I have to help out. I have to help out with something. You know what I mean? That's the only time. Should have answered that call. And yeah, they leave a voicemail. But when they leave a voicemail, they don't say nothing. Anyway, I don't even talk whenever I'm there at work. I mean, everybody's all huddled up inside the boss's office, right? I'm joking, laughing. But the thing is, they must, you know, I must taste good to them because they always have my name in their mouth. I'm like, why do they keep on bringing up my name? And they're like, oh, well, Jessica did this. Or Jessica, I told Jessica, and Jessica called her. I was like, I didn't do nothing. I go, the boss lady said what to do. So don't try to blame me. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing at all. I was like, but shit. They always like to say my name. always have my name in their mouth. And I'm like, why? Why is it? Are they just mad at me? Do they not like me? I mean, I don't care either way. But shit. Keep my name out of your mouth. Stop trying to throw off to somebody else what you're in trouble for. You know? You get in trouble for something. And, you know, instead of you taking the responsibility and saying, oh yeah, I did that. You know, that's my problem. You know, I did it. I accept the responsibility that you know, that I did wrong or whatever. You know, no, they don't do that. They try to throw it off on somebody else. Oh no, I didn't do it. But I don't load the trucks. They load the trucks. She didn't load something on the truck. Oh, because it didn't fit. But yet, try to throw it off on me. I don't load them freaking trucks. You know, I wasn't going to say freaking. I was going to say another word. But yeah, we'll keep it PG-13. Sorry. Sorry about that, guys. I don't want nobody to say anything because I cuss or anything. It happens sometimes, you know. Them little words come out sometimes. So yeah. Oh yeah. I wanted to do some filming at work. Or like in the car. You know, do a car mukbang. Or in my office again like I did before. But I got moved to a different office. In the office that I'm in, it has a big old window in it now. So now I don't really have that much privacy. And plus, everybody goes inside where I'm at. Because there's another computer in there that everybody supposedly needs. But yet, same program's on another computer in a different office. Why come into me and tell me about it, you know, or come in and tell me what's going on if I'm not the IT person to fix it, you know? They always expect me to fix everything, but I do. I figure it out and I fix it. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I'll keep on to these kids. They'll start barking like there's no tomorrow. But anyways, yeah. So it's just kind of crazy out there. I was telling my husband this morning and he's like, well, I like it whenever you keep to yourself. Yeah, I do too.
Oh.
Leave him alone, pumpkin.
Yeah.
So yeah. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I'm covering up my food. Oh yeah, and I hate when people are like you go into an office or into somebody else's office so you can talk to them or let them know something. And I went in there and somebody was talking, so out of respect, I grew up like if somebody's talking, you wait until that person's finished talking, let them finish talking, having their conversation, and then wait until they acknowledge you or you acknowledge them. After the fact, right? Well, that person's like, stop! What do you want now? Well, this is the first time I came in here. That's what I said. Well, what do you need? I was like, you know what? I go, out of respect, I let y'all finish your conversation because I don't interrupt. I let people finish their conversation. If they're talking to somebody, I don't interrupt them. Oh, okay. You know, like she felt bad after I said that. Stop there, though. So I'm like, you know, kind of heated up already at the moment. Kind of made me mad because, you know, why are you going to talk to me like that if I haven't done anything to you? You know what I mean? I mean, I haven't done one single thing to you. So why would you have attitude with me? And mind you, this has been going on like every morning. So I'm like, okay, you know, I'm just going to leave the person alone. I'm not going to talk to them. I'm not going to acknowledge them. I'm going to be like, hey, you know what? Whatever. All I'll do is I'll put what I need to tell them on a sticky note and put it on their desk. Write down, okay, such and such for today. Such and such was yesterday. Such and such was the day before. Okay? Don't you dare, Nugget. Okay. So I did that yesterday and today. Walked in there, put it on the desk, walked out. Yep. Stop! So, yeah, I did that. And, knock it off! So I did that. And, she didn't like it. She's like, you're not going to say nothing? Are you not going to talk? Are you just going to walk in here like, you're not going to acknowledge nobody? I was like, I don't want to get on nobody's nerves, and I don't want to get yelled at, and I don't want nobody to tell me off simply for me asking a question. Her eyes got that big because she knew she was in the wrong. Why are you going to yell at somebody if they haven't even did anything? I mean, I swear. Just because you woke up on the wrong side of the bed doesn't mean that you can come to your job site and act like everything's okay and tell off everybody. You know what I mean? You come to work, you don't bring your business home and from your home to your work. Nobody wants that. Hello, you want a bite? Anyway, so yeah, it's like every morning. I guess I don't know, she gets up on the wrong side of the bed. Or maybe she gets in an argument, or maybe she just gets up, or she gets up like that in a bad mood. That's her. You know, maybe that's the way she is. So I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. But she shouldn't take it to work. She does not have no business yelling at anybody. You know what? You're going to get her in the ass, you know. But somebody's not going to put up with her BS. I don't know if y'all could hear the wind. Freaking wind's blowing outside. When I was at the doctor's office, there was a pole with the little sign on the top. All you see is that thing going like that. The sign just fluttering like that. That's how fast that wind was blowing. It's supposed to be in the 30s tonight. So yeah, So yeah, that's our weather for tonight. Maybe it's gonna be cold tomorrow. It rained all day today, so I don't know how it's gonna be tomorrow. Let's see.
Oh.
Excuse me. Let me check it out. What it's gonna be like tomorrow. Don't you dare nugget. 56. High of 56. Yep. No, I really hate the cold. 56 during the day. Windy with plenty of sunshine. 34 that night. Sorry guys. Got to burp. You got to burp. You got to burp. Getting full. Wait, Pumpkin. Oh, my prescription's ready. At what time? 7:16. You know, I went to the doctor's office. Mind you, my appointment was at 2:40 in the afternoon. Right? Now tell me why I didn't get out of that doctor's office until almost 5 o'clock. One, didn't help me with what I needed. It only helped me with my arm. Oh, because I have to go get my medical records from my other doctors before I can get any other medicine prescribed to me. Bish, please. All my records are there at the doctor's office. I haven't been nowhere else. But it's cool. It's all good. I never had one of these sandwiches from Dominos. They're actually pretty good. I give a thumbs up for that. Might not be a long video because I didn't have all the bread. I took a drink of that drink, the Coke, and my ears like opened up, like I could hear clearly. Like they felt like they were stopped up. I don't know, I haven't got over my cold. So yeah. That was my day today. My day of BS. One person watched me. Hey, that person might be watching me. She might want me. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to wear big old monster clothes so they won't look at me. Make myself look uglier? I don't know. Them looking at her, that person looking at me like I'm a piece of meat. Ah! That's scary. Or maybe because they're staring because I don't go interact with them. I don't go sit and do the little cluck, cluck, cluck with them. You know what I mean? Oh well. I do me. And that's all I do. They think I'm just gonna go kick up my shoes and be like kissing butt to them. Not happening. Yeah, I'm the type of person, when I'm at work, I work. Whenever I'm at home, I do my house stuff. I relax, take my time, you know, do my thing here at home. I don't do nothing. I don't go nowhere. Like, I'm just a homebody, you know? I don't do anything. Stop it!
No.
So, I mean, you know, so I don't understand what gives, you know, anybody the right to, you know, look down or talk about Nugget. No.
No.
Or say anything bad about somebody. You know, if they don't know who they are, what they do, where they go, where they're from, or anything. I don't think that anybody has the right to talk about anybody else. I don't think anybody has the right to put that person's name in their mouth and talk about them and try to throw stuff on them that is not even their fault or is not even nothing to do with them. So, you know, I think that it's a shame for them to act like they can do what they want, when they want, where they want, and not get in trouble for it. Where, on the other hand, you know, other people can do stuff and they can get, you know, they get in trouble, they get fired or whatever, you know, knock on wood. But, so yeah. You know, I don't think anybody has the right to be talking about anybody else. And if you talk about a person so much, you must either like them, want them, or something, or stalking them. Because nobody has the right to be talking about anybody else. And for one, they shouldn't have your name inside your mouth. Nobody should ever have their name, you know, nobody should ever have somebody else's name in their mouth unless it's their husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend. That's it. Brother, sister, uncle, aunt, mom, or dad. That's about it. Not somebody, no, not a coworker. Not unless you're calling them to come in there and go sit with them. Not unless you're calling them to say, hey, let's go have lunch today. Or, hey, let's go have dinner. That's the only time you should have somebody else's name in your mouth. So, you know, I think that these people need to grow up. Which maybe they're a little younger than me and a couple of them are a little older than me. They need to either grow up and leave other people's name out of their mouth, or, you know, maybe one day somebody might not appreciate it and might take things to the next level, and they won't like that. So sorry guys, it got a little deep there. So yeah, I'm just talking out my ass. It just really irks me that people are like that, and they like to talk about other people, and they like to talk smack just for no good reason. And they shouldn't be like that. They should just need to leave other people alone and mind their own business. That's what I think. So on that note right there, I am going to leave y'all with, or leave y'all with everybody with, keep your mind, or not keep your mind, but keep to yourself. Don't let others think that you have to follow them. You be your own leader. Don't follow people. You be your own leader. Now, if they want to follow you, hey, that's great. You have followers. But you be the leader. Don't follow them. Don't follow in their footsteps. Don't do what they do, because that makes you just like them. Alright guys, well, I'm done with my food. I'm full. Actually, I really like the food. So, I hope y'all give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. How y'all like my video. Don't forget to hit that little bell so y'all know whenever I post my videos. And I hope your morning, noon, night, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this, I hope you're having an awesome one. And until next time, bye!
All my friends are heathens, take it slow.